My name is Mofi and I'm a student learning Python at Rubies Code Camp. And I created a calculator with Python, and it was the inspiration for me was my calculator on my device. I wrote the code in about 1 or 2 days. This is my code, and I'm going to show you how it works. As you can see, it looks very similar to a real common calculator, but the difference is that it was created using the Tkinter interface. It's like for visual designing in Python. So each of the buttons work. So let us try it out. If I type in 12 times 5, we all know that that's 60, but let's still try it out, see if it's correct. So it gives us a 60. And if you want to do another sum, you can always click on the clear button and to empty out the output screen. So this calculator works quite as well as any other calculator, and it was created using Python Tinker. Thank you.